how he would catch himself a salmon. Those of you with a keen eye will have noticed that behind me this whole time in the arena here, there has been a vast Russian lake teeming with big juicy salmon. So what we're going to ask Rex to do is go back up to his nice high point at the back there, and then I've got a funny feeling, a sneaking suspicion that a salmon is going to rise to the surface of the water, and Rex is hopefully going to fly in and catch it for us, just like he would if he was actually hunting in the wild. Once again, I know I sound like a broken record, we have got that bad wind direction, and hopefully he's the bird, he's the one that can fly. So I'm really hoping he'll work it out for himself and come in at the right angle, rather than just completely flopping it. But we will see, won't we? I've got to find a bit of food that won't sink first though. Ready, Rex? Catch the salmon! Hey! There we go, just like that. So as you see, they fly in and go as low as they can to the water without